How often should I audit my company's equity compensation? Equity compensation is an essential part of many organizations, aligning employees' interests with company success and often serving as a critical tool for attracting and retaining talent. However, to ensure that equity compensation remains fair, compliant, and aligned with organizational goals, it requires regular audits. In this guide, we'll cover how often you should audit your company's equity compensation and provide key insights to make the process effective. Step 1. Understand the importance of regular audits. Performing regular audits of equity compensation is vital in maintaining transparency, compliance, and competitiveness. It helps identify discrepancies, prevent misuse, and ensure that your equity plans align with both current market standards and company objectives. Auditing also helps in navigating through regulatory requirements, which can change frequently. Step 2. Determine the frequency of audits. The frequency of auditing your company's equity compensation depends on several factors, including the size of your company, the complexity of your equity plans, and industry standards. As a general guideline, an annual audit is often recommended, allowing for a comprehensive review that aligns with the fiscal year. This timing helps address any strategic changes or regulatory modifications that have occurred. Biannual or quarterly audits. For larger organizations or those with complex equity programs, more frequent audits, biannual or quarterly, can be beneficial. This ensures that any issues can be identified and addressed in a timely fashion. Step 3. Key areas to focus on during audits. During your audit, focus on several critical areas to ensure the robustness and compliance of your equity compensation. Plan compliance. Check that the equity compensation plan complies with both internal policies and external regulations, including tax laws and financial reporting requirements. Valuation and accounting. Ensure that equity awards are valued accurately and accounted for correctly, which is vital for financial statements and tax implications. Employee communication and record. Verify that all documentation is accurate and that communication with employees regarding their equity compensation is clear and transparent. Step 4. Leverage technology and expertise. Utilizing specialized software can streamline the audit process, providing automated checks and balances to ensure data integrity. Moreover, engaging with professionals such as auditors, legal advisors, and tax specialists can provide valuable insights and enhance the audit's thoroughness and effectiveness. Step 5. Implement continuous improvement. Post-audit, take the opportunity to implement improvements based on findings. Whether it's updating outdated processes, addressing compliance issues, or enhancing communication methods, continuous improvement should be the goal. Auditing your company's equity compensation is not just a matter of fulfilling regulatory requirements, it's a strategic practice that can lead to more effective and meaningful compensation programs. While how often should I audit my company's equity compensation might not have a one-size-fits-all answer. By following these guidelines, you can ensure your equity plans remain compliant, competitive, and aligned with your company's goals. By regularly reviewing and refining your equity compensation strategies, you create a win-win for both your employees and your organization. Prioritize these audits as a critical component of your corporate governance, and your company can reap long-term benefits.